Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Tecno Spark 20C. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Spark 20C and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno Spark 20C settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you will find there something says system. You need to click over there and then you need to click here language and import. From here you choose the language and then now my phone language is English. If you want to try another language, you can click here other language and then you will see there's a bunch of languages available. You can just choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this fence I saw and then it's going to appear. Do you like to set this language your default language? So you're going to click here apply language. Now if I go back, we'll see my phone has successfully set up that new language. Actually, even myself, I don't know that phone language, but I want to share it if maybe somehow, some cases, your phone language has changed and you want to change your phone language to English. So in order to do that, I will use some trick to change my phone language. In this time, I will use some trick to change my phone language. We'll use some icon trick. So for that you need to jump over your phone all apps section. So you're going to jump over in my phone all apps section and then I'm going to scroll down and then we will find here this is the gear icon which is called setting icon. So you need to click here this gear icon. After click over there a skin going to appear, so you need to scroll all the way down. After that we'll find here this is this icon which is kind of system icon. We're going to click over on it and then we see skin appear just like this. So you have to choose the first one and then you have to click again the first one and then if you decide to add English, you can easily choose. If English is here, it's great. If it is not, you can click this blue icon and then you can easily find out your desired English language and you can easily say I already have English here, so I'll hold it and bring over there. And now you can see I have successfully changed my phone language French to English. So in this simple way you can easily change your phone language. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.